MYPerodua ASA is a suite of safety features that helps reduce low to medium speed accidents. Before we continue, please note that while ASA is meant to support safe driving, it does not prevent accidents entirely. Drivers should still drive carefully, paying close attention to surroundings. Key to ASA is the stereo camera. It is installed on the windscreen to detect obstacles ahead. ASA has 4 functions which help in a variety of situations. Pre-collision warning alerts the driver when it detects a risk of frontal collision. Pre-collision braking applies brakes when it detects an increasing risk of collision with the vehicle or pedestrian ahead. Pre-collision warning is able to detect vehicles when you're traveling between 4 and 80 km per hour and pedestrians when traveling between 4 and 50 km per hour. You will be warned with a buzzer, and the ASA operation indicator will light up on your multi-info display. If you have not started braking after you have been alerted, pre-collision braking kicks in. The system applies its first brake, called the primary brake. This is a weaker brake that slows down your car. The master warning will light up on your meter panel. If the system judges that collision is unavoidable, it automatically applies the secondary brake, which stops the car completely. Remember to depress the brake pedal to keep your car stationary. If you don't, your car will start moving after about 1.5 seconds. The system may prevent collisions altogether when traveling below 30 km per hour. However, if the speed difference with a vehicle ahead is between 30 and 80 km per hour, or with pedestrians when traveling between 30 and 50 km per hour, it may only reduce collision damage. The system applies more braking force when you depress the brake pedal. Front departure alert lets the driver know when the vehicle in front has moved. Lack of attention at traffic lights or in traffic jams could mean that sometimes you don't realize when the car ahead has moved. ASA alerts you when the car in front of you has moved. Here is how it works. The system detects vehicles within 10 meters ahead of your car. When the car in front of you has moved more than 3 meters ahead, you will be alerted with a buzzer, and the ASA operation indicator will light up on the multi-info display. Pedal misoperation control suppresses engine output when the driver accidentally stomps the accelerator pedal. It reduces damage with the obstacle ahead due to sudden acceleration. The stereo camera detects obstacles within 4 meters ahead of your car. When you stomp on the accelerator pedal, the system suppresses engine output, preventing the car from shooting forward. You will be alerted with a buzzer, and the master warning will light up on the meter panel. The system does not stop your car completely, and it will still move forward slowly if there's no parking curb. Remember, ASA is not a substitute for safe driving and has its limitations.